These are the big crypto trends that will make many new millionaires in 2024. Getting in early on the right coins, the right trends, the right narratives in these niches could be the same as buying Solana for $1 back in the day. That's the kind of gains opportunity you're looking at here. It's totally crazy. The first one, gaming. This has been bullish on for a while. Blockchain gaming didn't miss a beat in 2023 with major publishers like Epic Games adding more games to the Epic Games store every week. Blockchain gaming, baby, it's here. And it is set to explode in 2024. Some major stuff coming up. So a quick recap of 2023. We had over 400 GameFi tokens trading billions in volume every single damn day. The future of gaming is here. It's now, and it couldn't be brighter looking forward. As developers gain experience and get more confidence in using Web3, NFTs, token economies, all that kind of stuff, I think we're going to see greater experimentation and, of course, more sophisticated use of blockchain elements, in-game mechanics, and different gameplay, all enabled by Web3. A wider variety of Web3 games and different genres. It's all coming. Now, Web3 is becoming less of a buzzword than it was before and more of an aspiration for gaming companies. The phobia is starting to go away. There's also a new way to expand digital ownership and publisher revenue streams by selling NFTs and in-game items and in-game taxes and stuff like this. Developing games on the blockchain is becoming increasingly easier too. I mean, it's literally never been easier to launch a blockchain game, and it's becoming kind of the Trojan horse that we might really need for introducing cryptocurrency to the masses. It'll be the red pill moment for a lot of people. Oh, I can play a game and get these NFTs and earn money. Revenues for Web3 gaming forecast, of course, to continue to climb. A decrease in offline gaming and an increase in online players has been identified. Although I will miss playing Settlers of Catan with my friends. Maybe I'll still do that when everyone else is making me millions playing online games. It's almost like blockchain was built for all of this, right? Okay, so why is this going to be big in 2024? Well, unsurprisingly, a recent survey revealed that 2024 is poised to be a breakout year for blockchain gaming, because of course it is. With over half of everyone surveyed predicted that more than 20% of the $347 billion global gaming market will use blockchain technology by the end of next year. What? That's crazy. Those are crazy stats. That's game-changing. You see what I did there? Of course, that's why I'm betting up big on gaming in Web3 in 2024. Stuff like Off the Grid is one of the most anticipated games of 2024. Private sale investor, by the way. And as an investor in this revolutionary first-person shooter, I'm excited to see the effect of its release, what it's going to have on the industry. I've got like 20 other gaming investments. By the way, I'm big on the niche. Off the Grid in particular uses Avalanche's subnet technology to offer players a seamless gaming experience. Already, of course, being tested by some big trad gamers, I guess, Dr. Disrespect and other big streamers. Input from the gaming community for Off the Grid has been nothing short of incredible. And these are the kind of games you need to red pill millions of people into Web3. This is, of course, the brainchild of acclaimed sci-fi director Neil Blomkamp, one of the biggest blockchain games coming, one of the most anticipated ones for 2024. So keep it on your radar. Now let's talk about layer 2s. With the help of layer 2s, crypto is onboarding more users than ever before, because when you use Ethereum layer 1, I actually paid $120 for a fee on Ethereum this week. Disgusting. Going into the new year with dozens of networks preparing to launch with low fees makes layer 2s a trend you don't want to miss. People still want access to Ethereum. They just don't want disgusting fees. So 2023 recap for layer 2s. Layer 2s remain a key element in the growing crypto industry, adding more options for liquidity providers to be using than any previous year. And it's only going to get crazier. We'll start seeing the big airdrops coming. Now, this is, of course, all reflected by the increased value locked in layer 2 protocols, going from less than $5 billion last year to more than $15 billion in 2023, a number set probably to increase in 2024. So why are we watching this in 2024? Well, there's the potential to see Scroll, ZK Sync, Base, Starknet, Manta, Blast, all these make big moves in 2024. There's one network that's undoubtedly a fan favorite for the new year, of course, flipping the space on its head this year, of course, Arbitrum. Arbitrum is the fastest growing layer 2 network in crypto. The ARB token, it's like a stable coin though. Come on, ARB token, let's pump, baby. Capturing twice as much activity as Ethereum for the network though. Absolute crazy stuff. Blowing more than just Polygon off the map here. Arbitrum also locked in more value on its network than Polygon, than Optimism, than Base, than Mantle combined. Crazy. One of Arbitrum's biggest challenges comes in 2024, though, with more than 1 billion ARB tokens scheduled to be released in March. Yikes. This will be one of the biggest incoming liquidity events of the year. While some will likely sell, others, of course, will take the opportunity to just strengthen up their position. Maybe market makers will actually finally make this thing move in anticipation of that event. Watch out for that. This could potentially push the project, of course, to a new all-time high. I know unlocks are often feared, but sometimes they're actually bullish events. And as I keep talking about farm, most of you will miss the easiest opportunities to make big money because you just fail to pull the trigger. You fail to put in the work required to get the money. By the way, we are constantly covering the top airdrops, the hottest new launches, critical market TA, market moving news, and much, much more in our weekly newsletter, Wealth Mastery. Join over 90,000 weekly readers for free, using the link down below in the description. Don't keep missing out. The next big money-making airdrop could be just around the corner. Check this out. Our top 5 airdrops this year, just our top 5 that we covered in the newsletter, made $30,000, including Arbitrum. Other layer 2s will definitely make money too. Link in the description where you can get signed up for that newsletter. Now let's talk about memes. So if you want to make 500% a month, 25,000% a year, sound good? Well, you better start stacking those meme coins, baby. So let's look back. 2023 is a wild year for meme coins. For those of you still on the fence about joining the meme coin bandwagon, consider this. The market cap of meme coins is larger than the market cap of layer 2s. That's crazy, right? Where there's a degen, there's a way. And these meme coins, they ain't going away, man. They're here to stay. Reaching a new paradigm of meme culture in 2023. More people than ever are interested in dog coin go up narratives than almost anything else in crypto because it's simple, it's accessible, and it's fun. Surging $7 billion over the last month. We've seen just crazy activity for meme coins. That's 7 times more than the total value locked on Solana right now, by the way. Seriously, though, hitting one of the biggest challenges this year, we did have to segregate meme coins for the first time, making sure that we don't get our cute doggy coins mixed up with all of our other ones. The cat coins, the chicken coins, the frog meme coins. Anyway, why is this big in 2024? Well, many memes came and went, and they will continue to come and go. Bonk, of course, is the top dog of the year. He's a good boy, making Solana the temporary meme coin champion. But if there's one thing about meme coins that you can absolutely be certain of, no one stays on top for too long, except Dogecoin, because he's the OG, like Bitcoin. You know, you've probably heard it a bunch of times by now. But how this meme or that meme is going to take over Doge, it just doesn't happen. Dogecoin keeps staying the king of meme coins. And with twice the market cap and daily volume as SHIB and Bonk combined, this is a dog not to fade. This dog ain't leaving without one heck of a fight. I mean, does your dog coin have Elon Musk tweeting about it? No? Well, sorry. Look, meme coins are funny. I mid-curved memes so bad, and I'm committing not to do that in the future. I told myself for a long time that meme coins are so dumb, and they are, but meme coins are essentially a financial instrument to bet on culture. Why I faded that for so long is beyond me. I'll try not to do it in the future. Obviously, meme coins are super risky, and you can and likely will lose all your money, so keep that in mind. We can also make millions, which is the lure of meme coins. Now let's talk about DeFi. Decentralized finance. Well, it has continued to absolutely dominate the crypto space as a narrative in 2023, capturing more value than any other trend in crypto. 2023 recap for you. Doubling the amount of total value locked on chain. That was a big damn move for the DeFi market. And of course, the total market capitalization of all the DeFi tokens also going up, with the market calculating that almost 96% of all tokens listed on exchanges are somehow derived from DeFi applications. That's pretty interesting, right? Why is it big in 2024? Well, going into the new year, there's one infrastructure project that probably stands above all the rest. when it comes to securing the future of decentralized finance. One protocol that none of this is even possible without. That project is Chainlink. The role Chainlink plays in the DeFi landscape is pretty immeasurable. It's the reason I spent all of 2023 gobbling up as much Chainlink as I could. Great average entry price around $7. Chainlink, of course, securing 350 protocols across 100 different networks, integrations with over 2,000 damn products. I mean, Chainlink's kind of everywhere. It's quite literally the backbone of decentralized finance. Hard to fade that. I feel like it's a very mispriced asset. And as Wall Street begins dipping its toes into the crypto river next year, Chainlink could be about to get a heck of a lot more valuable, especially when you consider the role that Chainlink is going to play in the next trend. And more on that in just a moment. But a quick few honorable mentions, because DeFi is just packed full with all kinds of good stuff. There's coins out there like Trader Joe, the biggest decentralized exchange on Avalanche that pays you real yield in USDC. And yes, obviously I own these. Full portfolio disclosure in the description as always. There's all kinds of hot newer coins that are coming out that can be farmed. Coins like Prisma, which is a staked Ethereum stablecoin protocol, or maybe something like Chainflip, which is a new cross-chain asset protocol provider. So lots of opportunity out there in the DeFi space for relatively low market cap, interesting coins. Now let's talk about real world assets. RWA, with NFT hype dying down, 2023 is ending with an increased focus on the tokenization of real world assets. Real stuff, right? With trillions of dollars worth of assets ready to be stored in a globally trusted and secure environment. BlackRock's big on tokenization. All these big companies are big on real world assets. RWA is a valuable trend to watch in 2024 for this reason. So, quick 2023 recap. Discussions surrounding the tokenization of real world assets on the blockchain are nothing new. We've literally been talking about this stuff for years. However, the time may have come. The potential for it to actually happen could be here, making RWAs one of the most exciting new trends for crypto looking forward, unlocking, of course, new investment opportunities for you and me through fractional ownership of all kinds of stuff, stocks and gold and properties and companies. It's going to be nuts. Well, of course, reducing the role of intermediaries to enable faster, cheaper, and thus more transparent transactions. As the 7th largest use case in DeFi, it's definitely one worth paying attention to. Real world asset tokens are being currently used to expand out the stablecoin market, for example. But all of this is set to change in 2024 with the regulatory framework for RWAs being worked on as we speak, which could be a game changer for the asset class. So in 2024, it's going to have a big potential. We're really standing to gain the most from the injection of capital into stuff like Pendle Finance, which I don't own, by the way, but we're just mentioning it here because it's an interesting one in the RW space. After spending all of 2023 innovating, integrating, and increasing in value by 2,000%, not too bad, Pendle could be equipped for the challenges that lay ahead on the RWA road through methods of optimizing and thus concentrating liquidity to where it's needed most. Pendle thus increases capital efficiency by 2.5% on any network that it attaches to. That's pretty crazy. Now, Pendle may only be the 3rd largest RWA project by market cap, but obviously it's got potential, right? Its daily trading volume is twice that of the projects above it, obviously showing the market's got an interest in making Pendle perhaps the most popular RWA in crypto. Never financial advice, of course, just letting you guys know what we're seeing here in the market. Final thoughts. The trends are where the money are going to be made, guys. Don't fade the biggest trends. Look for strength in the market. And maybe I'm missing something. So if I am, let me know down below in the comment section. I'll see you next time.